Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to pair your watch with an iPhone, you can do it in two ways. The first way is to do it through the setup process of the watch, basically if the watch is brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings. And the second method or second way is to do it through the settings after the watch has been already set up, because you can set it up without pairing it with a phone. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it through the setup process, and then I'm gonna show you how to do it through the settings. And first thing you will need to do before you pair your watch with your phone, you will need to turn it on. And to turn on the watch, press and hold the upper button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. And after the watch turns on, and it's brand new or it's been reset to the factory default settings, you will see the welcome message on the screen. You can tap on the screen. It will bring you to the list of languages. And here you can scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it. And as you can see, we're being asked if we want to pair our watch with a phone. We want to do it, so tap on the check mark and the watch will enter the pairing mode. And once it enters the pairing mode, we need to download and install the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on the iPhone. Where is the App Store icon? Here it is. Okay. In the App Store, tap on search, then tap on search bar and type in Garmin Connect. And tap on search. And you should see this application on the list, Garmin Connect. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. And after the application is done installing, you will see the open button and you can tap on it to open the app. Once the application opens, you may see the pop-up about the Bluetooth permission. It's required, so I recommend to tap on OK. And then you will need to log in into a Garmin account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on Create Account button right here. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap on Sign In, check the box. Oh, my bad. Let's go back, check the box, tap on Next, and enter the email address and password. Okay, and after you enter the email and password, tap on Next to log in. Once you log in, you may see pop-ups about permissions for the notifications. This is required if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you want to, tap on Allow. And if you don't care, you can tap on Don't Allow. Also, as you can see, the watch is not in the pairing mode anymore. So if the app doesn't detect your watch automatically, tap on the check mark to re-enter the pairing mode, and then the app should detect your watch. And once it does, you should see this page. And then you can tap on Connect, tap on Pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, then tap on Next. Here you can set up the sleeping schedule. This is useful if you want to use Do Not Disturb mode during sleep. So basically to turn off any notifications during sleep so you won't be disturbed. And you can tap right here, or rather on the Edit button, and you can adjust the time, the bedtime, the wake time, and you can select the days on which the schedule should be active. And once you're done, you can tap on the Done button, and then you can tap Next. Here you can select these preferred wrist on which we want to wear the watch on. Then we can select yes or no if you want to send basically training data from your account, from your app to the watch. And then we can set the goals like steps, drinking, fluid intake and stuff like that. If you want to edit the goals, tap on edit goals. And here you can adjust them by tapping on the goal and changing the numbers. And once you're done, you can scroll down and tap on next. Now we can allow the permission for the location. This is useful if you want to, for example, track your routes on the map for the running, cycling and stuff like that. And if you want to use to allow the permission, if you don't care, you can skip it by tapping on skip. Okay, next we have the calendar permission. This is useful if you want to see the events from the calendar and stuff like that on your watch. If you don't care, you can tap on skip and keep it denied rather. Next we have the phone permissions. This is required if you want to, again, use some features like calendar and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can tap on skip to keep it disabled. If you tap on manage, it will open the Garmin Connect settings, and here you can make sure you can allow the calendar, access, location, Bluetooth and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can close the settings and go back to the app, and it should move you further. Then tap on sync now, finish, and here you can go through the tutorial on how to use the watch by tapping on the next button. And once you're done with the tutorial, tap on finish. And now we can add the Wi-Fi network to our watch. This is useful if you want, for example, to download the apps on your watch and stuff like that. So basically you can tap on add network to add a new Wi-Fi network to your watch. If you don't care, you don't want to connect to Wi-Fi network on your watch, tap on setup Wi-Fi later. Let's add one. So let's tap on add network, select the network from the list, enter the password in the app, and then tap on next. If the password is correct, it will connect to the network. Then you can tap on next, finish. I'm gonna dismiss this, and your watch should appear right here at the top of the app. You can also tap on more, Garmin devices, and you will see your Vivoactive on the list of devices, and you can tap on it to open the device page. I'm gonna skip the tutorial on the watch, and that's how you pair the watch through the setup process. Now I'm gonna remove it from our iPhone, and we're gonna connect it through the settings. So let's disconnect it. Come on, remove device. Yes. Close this. Open the settings. Tap on Bluetooth. Tap on this info icon next to Vivoactive. Tap on forget. Okay, so the watch is removed from our iPhone. Now, if your watch is already set up and you want to connect it to a phone, you will need to enter the pairing mode on it. So wake up the screen, then press and hold the lower button. Now scroll down, find the settings and tap on it. In settings, scroll down and find the option called connectivity. I don't see it, so let's tap on the system. Oh, and here it is in system, connectivity. Once you find it, tap on it, tap on phone, scroll down, and you should see the option called pair phone. Once you tap on it, it will enter the pairing mode. Now you can open the app or download and open the app. After you open the application, if you set it up for the first time, it will basically automatically look for the nearby devices. But if you already have the app installed and you're logged in, you can tap on the plus button here or tap on more, Garmin devices, and add device to basically open the start the adding process. It will detect your watch, tap on connect it, and basically go through the same steps as we did before. So pair, allow ordinary ID permission, next the sleep schedule, preferred wrist, the data, training data, goals, and desync now. I don't need to deal with the permissions this time because the app was already set up. So basically it remembers the permission requests. But if you install the app for the first time, it will ask you for the permissions and you can deny them or allow them. Okay, then tap on finish. Go through the tutorial, log in, or rather add or not add the network, the Wi-Fi network, and then tap on finish. And the watch will be added to our phone, as you can see. Okay, and that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.